Using Selenium/WebDriver and Python, how do I suppress the prompt to share my camera and microphone? I am using Selenium in Python to automate a remote browser. The browser needs access to its webcam and microphone. When I navigate to a page that requests access, Firefox shows a pop-up window that asks, would you like to share your camera and microphone with host? This window is not part of the browser's page, so it cannot be detected or controlled via Selenium. This behavior is controlled by the media.navigator.permission.disabled option in Firefox's About Config page. If this option is set to true, then access to the camera should be granted automatically. When I set that option to true, it eliminates the prompt only when I run Firefox manually. When I run Firefox via Selenium, I still get the prompt. How can I suppress this prompt, and have permission granted automatically?
The problem lies in Firefox profiles. Selenium creates a new, temporary profile for each browser instance. This profile is separate from the profile you use when you manually start Firefox. Thus, when you set media.navigator.permission.disabled to true in About Config, you do so only for your profile, and not for the profile that Selenium uses. There are two ways to work around this. Tell Selenium which existing profile to use. To do this, you must first determine which profile you are using. To do this, close all instances of Firefox, then execute Firefox P to start the profile manager. In most cases, you will see a single profile called default. Using this profile, navigate to About Config, and set the media.navigator.permission.disabled option to true. Then, when you start the Selenium standalone server, specify this profile. This tells Selenium to use the default profile, which has the settings you want. Create and configure a new profile for Selenium to use. Before you create the browser instance, you must create a Firefox profile and configure it to meet your needs. Then specify this profile when you create the remote browser instance. Selenium will then use this profile, and you should not be prompted for permission to access the camera. Note that this method takes more time than the first method.
You can use options.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.